Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record WhatsApp call. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. If you go to the settings over here you won't find any option to record the call. So WhatsApp itself doesn't provide any option to record WhatsApp call. So you need to install a third-party application for that. So head over to your Play Store. Search for Talker ACR, and here you can see this app Call Recorder Talker ACR. Install this app on your phone. I've already installed this app on my phone, so you can launch the app. After that, you can set up this app according to the instruction. Now, whenever you call on WhatsApp, let's say if I place a call to this app, as you just saw that, the call will be automatically recorded by the app whenever you have any calls on WhatsApp. So in order to find the recordings, you can go to the app and here you can see the call has been recorded. We'll just record the voice call for you. In order to record the video call, there is another app. It's called X Recorder. You can install this app and it will help you record the whole screen. So this app will help you record the video for you. So that's it. That's how you can record WhatsApp call. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.